I'm applying the red paint, and it's beautiful. It's like cherries, roses, and apples, and they're so good. Next, I'm applying the yellow paint that sparkles and shines like the stars and the bananas, and it's my mommy's favorite color, and I'm putting it on the tree branch. And when you mix those colors together, you get orange. And I'm applying the orange paint on my canvas, and I'm putting it right there, and it's like orange, and it's one of my favorite colors, and it's oranges and tangerines. And next, I'm doing the light green on my canvas. Now I'm applying the dark green on my canvas. It's so beautiful and nice, and it's one of my brother's favorite color. And now I see red, yellow, orange, light green, and dark green. And now I'm applying the light blue on my canvas, and it's one of my mommy's favorite color, and it's so beautiful and bright as the sky. And now I'm applying the dark blue paint that is so nice and elegant, and it's one of my brother's another favorite color. And now it's time to mix. And now I'm mixing the red and the yellow and the orange to make an orange color. And it looks so beautiful, and it looks so nice. Now I'm blending the other side with the red and the yellow. It looks so beautiful, and orange is one of my favorite colors, and we're still mixing it together, and it's so bright and like the sunset, and it's so great and beautiful, and I love it how it shines and beauties. And we're making it so awesome and so great and full, and we're making it more beautiful by just painting, and we're just making it so beautiful and good, and it looks amazing and so nice, and we like it. Now we're mixing it on bigger on my canvas on the bigger side, and it looks so great and beautiful, and there's a little bit of brown, but that's okay, and we're mixing and mixing it. Now I'm mixing the dark green, the light green, and the pink to make a more darker green. Now I'm topping up the green, the light green, the dark green, and the pink to make a purplish, pinkish green. And it's so beautiful, and I'm being careful to not get it into the orange. And I'm putting it on the side, and I'm blending it like this, and it's purple. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. If you've never seen it before, just check out our channel. Just put the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, and join. Thanks for watching.